Imagine this, you're fast asleep, dreaming, while an ultra-smart AI bot is wide awake, scanning global markets, spotting gold-level trades, and executing them for you, actively turning small traders into millionaires and billionaires. No human errors, just pure, unfiltered profit precision. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But this isn't the future, it's happening now in 2025. And today, I'm taking you through the top 5 AI trading bots you need to know to drastically change your financial life this year. These bots aren't slow algorithms or fancy gimmicks. These are AI-powered machines trading smarter and faster than ever, turning everyday traders into pro-level competitors. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bot fits your style, and why the 5th bot just might be the one to dominate the next decade. Let's dive right in. First up, Perceptrader AI. This is the most advanced AI EA for Forex. Built by the creator of Waka Waka EA, it uses deep learning and neural networks alongside grid strategies to repeatedly scan for high-probability entries. Runs on MT4, MT5, supports multiple pairs, and comes with lifetime license options, updates, and a private Telegram support group. Great for data-driven traders who want a blend of tradition and future tech. Next, BtiT EA, a trending AI-powered solution that leverages sentiment, forecasting, and predictive analytics to trade Forex. It's designed for tech-savvy traders seeking an AI edge priced around $397, and effective on MT4 with flexibility and advanced forecasting built in. A smart pick for traders who think like quants. Then there's Forexiro, a refined bot made for gold, XAU USD. It blends martingale safety, technical triggers, and live real account testing. Available in 2 modes, durable for caution trades and turbo for aggressive trades. Forexiro excels in stability and has proven performance with minimal drawdown. Ideal for traders who prioritize steady growth. Next is a color changer, Algobot, boasting an astonishing 81% win rate across multi-asset classes, like Forex, stocks, commodities. It's built with over 17,000 lines of code and uses machine learning to evaluate millions of outcomes. Works across traditional brokers and crypto exchanges. Just a $100 minimum to get started on major platforms. Finally, the one you've been waiting for is the Wealthflow AI Bot. This isn't just an algorithm, it's a full-blown, institution-grade AI driver designed for serious traders, portfolio managers, signal providers, prop firm killers, high-volume traders, and even absolute beginners who want pro results from day one. It delivers consistent 5% to 37% monthly returns, extremely low drawdowns, and has a 0 failure rate since its inception. It's trained on data from 150 smart traders and real MT5 performance logs. Transparent, powerful, and ready to disrupt how people grow their money. Wealthflow isn't just one bot, it's an entire AI arsenal. We have the Wealthflow AI Basic, the steady engine. This is your 24/7, hands-off profit machine, delivering 5% to 15% monthly returns with ultra-low drawdown. Perfect if you want consistent growth without the stress, like clockwork. Wealthflow Prop Bot, engineered for prop firm challenges. It's designed to pass strict funding evaluations with surgical precision, avoiding violations while still hitting profit targets. Traders call it their funded account passport. Tinga Beast. These are the thrill seekers, the high-octane AI setups that either blow your account or grow at 3,000% in weeks. Extreme risk, extreme reward. Not for the faint of heart, but for those who want to turn small money into empire-level capital fast. Every Wealthflow bot is trained on the collective intelligence of 150 elite traders and real MT5 market performance logs. Every trade is executed in milliseconds, backed by transparent results you can actually verify. Now, if you want to know the perfect bot for you, let me give you a breakdown. Think about your goals. Beginner or want simplicity? Go for Perceptrader or Forexiro. Like customization and control? Go for BtiT or Algobot. Want pro-level performance and proven results? Wealthflow is your MVP. Every bot fits a different style. Each one beats manual trading, so pick what matches your goals, time frame, and risk appetite. If you're ready to shift from guessing setups to letting an AI outsmart the market for you, especially Wealthflow, the one rewriting the game, comment Wealthflow below. I'll send you the full setup, trial info, and our exclusive guide to get you trading smarter from day one.